Yeah, this is some weird stuff.
I am Miek. This is Leon, and we're living the van life with the cutest cat in the world, Mio. We transformed our camper van Peggy into our dream house, and we love this lifestyle. Join our channel and follow our path as we discover Europe.
We left Lisbon and we wanted to go to a campsite for a day because we had to do laundry desperately. So we thought we'd find a nice campsite for a night. We thought we found one and it's right near the coast, so that's all good. But we just arrived and I don't even know how to describe this. There are literally hundreds of caravans, all covered in plastic, and the campsite is open. I mean, I paid for it at the reception, but it's just so weird. There's no one here. Hello? It looks abandoned, completely empty. It feels like a apocalypse ghost town or something. No, we're not reading the news anymore, that often at least. But did something happen to the world that I didn't know of? Or let me know what you think of this. Watch this. Now, would you believe me if I told you we paid 20 euros for a night? Let me know what you think. Oh, and the showers, they don't get warm. Of course they don't. One of the two reasons we came here, laundry and the shower. Top of the morning to you. Despite the weird vibe on the campsite, we actually had a pretty good night. Sorry you've only seen me so far in the video, cause Miek is in bed with a fever, so that's unfortunate. I think it's because of all the rain that we had in Lisbon last weekend. We have been walking for miles and miles in the rain, so I think she got a cold from that. How you doing, honey?
Not great.
So while she's in bed, I get to do all the fun stuff. Done laundry yesterday, so that was number one. The second thing on the list of boring things to do, dishes. Thanks to editing, I turned that into a 1-second job. Laundry done, dishes done, water done. Think I deserve my shower now. Now that was one of the weirdest showers I've ever had. The shower went from 2 degrees to like 1,000 degrees in seconds, and then it dropped again and went up again. But hey, we're not gonna let that spoil the day. It's a beautiful day today and we're leaving the campsite because we're done with that. It's weird how chores can be very therapeutic, so to say. Always staying at car parks, you're always a little bit on edge. Is that how you feel as well? If I'm talking to fellow van lifers, really like to know what your take is on that. That when you're on a campsite, that it's just a little bit more relaxing. Sometimes at least. Missing the adventure already though. Yeah, so we're gonna download some Netflix series first, because that one is still feeling sick, so she'll probably be in bed for the rest of the afternoon. But we are planning to go to a beach. We are in a national park at the moment on the west coast of Portugal. And there are supposed to be a lot of beautiful beaches untouched by people. So we definitely want to check one of them out. And not sure what the rest of the day will bring because of this one. But we'll definitely take you along. If you're thinking of going to one of the Prajas beaches and you're thinking of taking a camper van to Praia de Malho, the one we're going now, you might want to reconsider taking your camper van.
Turbo, baby!
Proper. So we've done some grocery shopping and found some medicine for Miek. Hope she will be feeling better soon. And we just arrived on Praia de Malho, one of the beaches, and I honestly think this is one of the most beautiful beaches I've seen so far. Look at this. I don't think this is doing it justice, but look at this drone footage. Anyhow, I think we'll call it a day for today. We downloaded some series, so we're gonna have a cozy evening in the camper van, and we'll see you tomorrow for the morning walk. Yep. Good morning. Look who decided to show up today.
Morning!
She's feeling a lot better now.
Time to go to the beach! This is probably one of the most prettiest beaches I have ever seen. I'm not kidding. And like Leon already told you, there's not a lot of people here, not a lot of pollution, no buildings, nothing. It's just gorgeous, stunning nature all around us. So yeah, as far as morning beach walks go, pretty good, pretty good. Wow! Oh my god! I don't know what to say, really.
This is the wrong way. We have to go the other way.
I know, and it's so pretty. Look at where the tide is already coming, and this over here is our only exit. So water is rising. I really think we have to go, unfortunately. Oh, I've never seen anything like this before. It's really, really nice, really pretty. And I'm so glad that we got to show it you and bring you along.
Yeah, let's go. I think the tide is coming.
Huh?
I think we have to go.
Little passageway over there between the rocks. That's our way out.
Okay, go now.
So go, go, go! I'm here! Don't fall! I don't have my hiking boots on. We were going to the beach. I didn't expect this.
We were just walking there.
We were just walking.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Peggy.
Who's the prettiest pig in the world? Who's the prettiest caravan in the world? Who's the prettiest caravan in the world? Peggy!
How was your morning?
Lazy as always.
Coffee?
Coffee!
Coffee, coffee,
coffee,
coffee,
coffee,
coffee.
coffee, coffee, coffee up! Aw, thanks for the coffee, babe.
Thanks for watching, guys. Next week we'll head into the beautiful Portuguese Algarve, where we visit the most western point of mainland Europe. So travel with us to World's End.